Bring skincare to your entire body and see benefits after 2 weeks. Use this newly supercharged antioxidant body lotion with proven results to help reduce the visible signs of premature skin aging beyond the face and neck. Your favorite skin firming lotion is back, and better with the extensively tested and patented TimeWise 3D complex, the same powerhouse found in our TimeWise Miracle Set, making it the perfect complement to your skincare regimen. Each application provides visible body toning benefits and 24 hours of hydration to help reinforce skin's ability to look its best longer. Support your skin by giving it the increased firmness, definition, and smoothness it deserves. It's time to replace multiple body care products with one multi-benefit power product that allows you to extend your skincare and self-care everywhere. And don't forget to sign up for the ultimate luxury beauty experience using Mary Kay Skincare so you don't miss out on any bonuses.